Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I want to show you how you can use egg to tighten up your sagging skin. If you have wrinkles, fine line, this egg is able to clear it off in no time when you continue doing it every day, every morning or every night. So I'm going to show you how to make use of this egg to clear wrinkles, sagging skin. If you have a sagging skin, this egg is gonna tighten up those sagging skin. So now what I'm gonna be needing is I'm gonna separate the egg yolk from the white. So you make sure to separate the egg yolk from the white. So this is the white which I'm going to be using also. I'm going to be using this egg white. I will add 1 sachet of sugar. If you have a brown sugar you can use, if you have a white sugar you can use. It all work the same. So I'm going to pour my sugar into my egg, then I will mix it. So after finish mixing it, this is how it's going to look. So now I'm going to apply it on my face. So guys, after mixing it, this is the egg. So now I'm going to apply it on my face. So you apply all over your face. You can do this every morning or at night. Anywhere you have fine line, you can apply these wrinkles, sagging skin. So after I finish applying, I'm gonna wait for about 15 minutes. You wait until the egg white dry on your skin. So after you wait, if you have a sagging skin, always apply on the particular area which you have the sagging or loose skin, and where you have fine line. So you apply that and you wait for 30 minutes, then you wash it off. Very simple, easy and active. So if you find this video interested, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to help someone. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch.